No tax on overtime. You're not going to see a reduction on your paycheck, on your salary, or on your W-2. You're going to be withheld and pay taxes the same way throughout the entire year on your paycheck as you normally would. This is a deduction claimed on your tax return, and you're not going to see an increase in your paycheck, but you should see an increase in your refund when you file your return at the end of the year. The cap on this is $12,500 per person or $25,000 per married joint return, which means you can claim the amount up to those numbers if you qualify. Now, the good news about this is if you're a married joint return and you work and your spouse doesn't, you can essentially use your spouse's deduction and get the $25,000. It's not limited to $12,500 just to you if your spouse doesn't work. Lastly, and this is the most confusing part I think for most people, this is how it's going to work on the deduction. If you're a construction worker and you make $60 an hour and you work your 40 hours and then you receive overtime pay after those 40 hours of $90 an hour, that full 90 is not tax-free. It is the additional 30, your overtime pay, that's tax deductible. So only the additional amount past your regular hourly wage is deductible. When you add all those up at the end of the year, that's what you can deduct. There should be a box and a code on your W-2 from your payroll company that indicates how much you've earned in this deduction throughout the year.